NaaS is really, I think of it as a journey. It's setting us on a path where we can, first of all, I think the biggest part about NaaS is automation and standardizing the automation, because we need to be able to harness all the available services and infrastructure to simplify the network as a service for the enterprise customer. And unless we have the kind of things that we're doing here at MEF, the LSO processes and API standardization, I don't think we're ever going to achieve it. There's too many piece parts involved in trying to stack the network. We used to have networks that were IP MPLS networks provided by a single provider. You buy some tail circuits. Now we have so many options. Those tail circuits were selling. Now we have so many options. We can use multiple transit providers to get global reach. Enterprises need global reach. They need access to remote sites. We can use satellite providers. We can use wireless. We then layer the edge compute, which is needed for low latency applications. So you need to have the edge. You then look at the overlay SD-WAN and SASE pieces. This is a very complex challenge from an automation perspective, and without standardization, we can't really tame the beast. And the enterprise expect even more cloud-like experience as they buy and interact with their network. We obviously are experts in network and cloud automation, so we work with tier 1 providers, tier 1 to 3 providers. We also work with enterprise, and what we do is we help them to take the platforms that they have and automate and introduce the personalities they need for the services and products that they ultimately need to manage to deliver their networks. What we've been doing more recently is focusing on building software that will enable buyers and sellers to actually trade services in a wholesale environment. But now we've taken that to a completely new level where we're able to use that building block, which is established with our customer base, to actually provide a simplified orchestration and automation for enterprise customers, including unified APIs and portals, simplified ways of specifying the needs that they have when they want to connect all their sites and all of their locations. And we hope to bring that forward and continue to introduce more capabilities, more services and products using the same single orchestration capability for the East-West between customers and suppliers.